So I came to McDonald's after I went and got the mail and stuff, so I had to come back through where I'm living to another town to go to McDonald's. So I got a Coke, which McDonald's Coke is the best. And I got fries. And I'm hoping that this is correct the way I ordered it. If you haven't got the fish sandwich from McDonald's, you need to get it and put cheese, mustard, and pickle only. Let me show you what it looks like. Pickles and mustard and cheese. The absolute best way to get a fish sandwich from there. I don't like tartar sauce, but this way, mm, 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 mm. It's so good. You need to try it. Love it. Have me a french fry. Mm, 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 mm. I don't eat McDonald's a lot, but I do like their fish sandwich, and I like their french fries whenever they're fresh, and their Coke is the best. I usually get their sweet tea, but I've been back drinking pop again for a little while. I need to stop drinking pop, but their Coke is the best. I don't know what's going on with my hair, but anyway, try the fish sandwich from McDonald's. Mustard, American cheese, and pickle. You'll love it.